Hi, I'm Bill Powers, and I'm the managing partner of Powers McCartan. If you or someone you care about has been injured while riding a motorcycle, please give us a ring. Those cases tend to be very complicated and in many instances are heart-rending. It's just a matter of a smaller vehicle being clobbered by something much larger, and oftentimes people just aren't paying attention. We offer a free confidential consultation at Powers McCartan. Give us a ring now. The telephone number is 704-342-HELP. That's 704-342-4357.